Hey guys, let's talk about the Dell's laptop SSD upgrade. Here I have a Dell Latitude 7490 and I'm going to upgrade the hard drive, so it's pretty simple, okay? So first here on Windows, I can come on System and check what the hard drive that I have. You see basically here that I have this storage, right? 477 gigabytes. That's really 512, okay? There's a calculation that shows this number here because it's based on some calculation, but my hard drive is 512. So if I want to have more storage, I just need to shut my computer down and then replace the SSD module, right? So you need to open your computer, remove the module and put another one. So it's super simple, okay? Let me just disconnect the cables here. So you see I unplug everything, I turn it over. In here there are some screws that you need to release. I have two here in the center. You just need to loosen them up. All right, two here and three here on the left side. You don't need to completely remove them, right? Just loosen them up and you're good to go. And the cover is going to hold the screws in place. Plus three here. There we go. See, super simple. Then here you can just release. There we go. Okay. And here you can see the SSD, right? In this case here, let me just approach so you see better. There we go. You have one screw here. And here's the slot. So you just need to release this like this. Screw here. Super simple. And then lift it up like so. Okay, and we go a little bit and there we go. So I have it here. You can see this module is 512 gigabytes. And here's some information about the module. Here, there we go. And you just need to buy a new one. Just make sure that you have the correct one for your computer. I'm going to leave some links here in the description so you can check, okay? As long as you have one like this, right, you just need to insert it here. That way. We go a little bit, put it in place, and put the screw back. So super simple, okay? I'm using the same module here just for demonstration, but it's easy to replace with a new one. Put that back in place here, and you're good to go. Okay, just close the cover again. Just be careful here to have this aligned, right? Sometimes there's a space here, so just make sure that's aligned, completely aligned here, and then you can tighten the screws down here, and you're good to go. And always remember that I have two in the center, because if you forget this one, for example, when you're releasing the cover, it's not gonna come up, right? There we go, two here in the center. So as you can see, it's super simple and also super fast. If you really take a look on how long it takes to replace, you see that it's super fast. You can do this in less than 5 minutes, right? As long as you have the SSD, you're good to go. There we go, I'm ready here. Now I just turn my computer on. And of course, if I don't have Windows for the new hard drive, right, yet, I need to install Windows. Right now it's going to boot up Windows here because I already have on this SSD hard drive. If it's not, you can just boot up with a thumb drive like this, for example, and from here you can install Windows. So I have another video here in the channel where I show how to boot up from a USB device. I'll leave the link here in the description, also in the card. And then you can install your Windows. So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can upgrade an SSD hard drive on your Dell's laptop. Here I'm using a Dell Latitude 7490 as an example, but it works for any Dell laptop. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments here, and I see you in the next video.